Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can manage your child processes. So on TranZact, we do have multi-level BOM feature. And accordingly, whenever you create any production process, a child process also get created as per child bill of material, if that is available in your parent bill of material. So how you can manage it? So first of all, you need to go in production module. So I will just display you by creating one of the process that how you can manage it. On your right hand side, very top, you will see option of create process. Please click on this. Now I do have one of my item for which I have created a multi-level BOM. So I will just paste it, and then after going forward, I will just check. So here is my globe wall 2 mm. I will just select it and I will put the quantity and create the process. Now, as you can see that there are two processes which are created. So suppose for this PID, I don't want to run a production process as because I do have this particular material available with me. So what I will do, you need to go in raw materials, and here is you can see that particular child process and with its item. So on your right hand side, you will see option of edit. Do remember on the in the front of raw materials, you will find edit option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in the raw materials segment, this is the edit raw material. Now, here is the 6 BOM for which child processes are created. So, and here is the remove sub process option. So what I will do, I will click on remove sub process, and going below, I will click on save. If there are multiple child BOM in this process, you can see multiple remove sub processes button. So please check. Once I clicked on remove sub process, this particular PID got removed and only the master PID is available. If I go below and check with the raw materials as well, I can find only master raw materials available. The child process is not linked currently here. So this is how you can remove the child process, and then after you can execute your production process. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while managing the production process. Have a good day ahead.